pontoon with a rope in it. Just a little fella we gotta get out of there yet. One dead branch right in there. The rest of this brush, the rest of that oak, and that brush there. And we are nothing but fishing. I don't know if you can see it out there, but there it is. I got the auger, a couple tip-ups, a little northern the other day. There's that little tree. I can't see the rope, I don't know if you can. There's our pulley system for pulling stuff up. Cody filmed the other day. But yeah, we'll be out of here soon. Nice little getaway spot. Swim rights. All right, have a good one.